Friends, look what just has arrived in the mail today. This is the new ASOS Advent Calendar 2023 that I'm going to be unboxing right here, right now in front of you. I've been buying the ASOS Advent Calendar for the last 2 years. This is my third year buying it. And previously, I've always shown it to you during the Vlogmas period in December, but I thought by then it's too late for you to be able to get your hands on one of these if you want to. So this year, I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be opening the ASOS Advent Calendar for you right here today. So if you want to go and buy it, you can go and do so. Let's see what's in box number one. This is the iconic London Illuminator. This is the original one, and it is a trial size. Let me show you. I actually already have one of these. Here it is. So you can see it by comparison. This is the full size, and this is the travel size. But I've hardly used this. I think you can see I've used it all the way down here. And the way I use this is by putting a drop of it in any of my non-illuminated foundations, just to add that factor of illumination to any foundation that doesn't have it already included in it. And I find that it blends beautifully with anything. This little beauty I already have, but the old one that I have is actually in the glow color, which is a little bit more golden than this. And this is the travel size that came in the Advent Calendar, is the lighter version of it. So I don't have this color. Let's start a collection here. Number 2, all the way at the bottom. This is the Skin Therapy 17 Ingredients, a multi-perfecting night oil by Erborian. It's Korean skin therapy. This looks interesting. I haven't tried this before, and it is new to me. Okay, so it comes in a red bottle with a dropper. 17 plant extracts combined in a multi-perfecting oil that works while you sleep. After the first night, your skin is smooth, intensely nourished and plump with moisture. Signs of fatigue appear reduced. Your complexion is fresh and radiant. Strong results day after day. A skin's texture, wrinkles, fine lines, skin grain and luminosity and suppleness. It's a 2-phase and lightweight oil specifically designed to adapt to all skin types. Shake the bottle well before each use to mix the 2 phases. Use before or instead of your night creams. I couldn't find this product in Australia, but in the UK, the 10ml bottle is £21, which is the equivalent of $40 Australian. How cool is that? Product number 2, day 3. This is so exciting. I love getting advent calendars because I just love tasting new products and finding some new products that I haven't used before. And the ASOS Advent Calendar always has some fabulous products that end up becoming my day-to-day go-to. Ayurveda by Rituals Rejuvenating Body Scrub with Punjabi pink salt and sweet almond. This is gorgeous. Rich oils and salt body scrub. This is rich with oils in a body scrub. Fabulous. This is another product that I couldn't easily find in Australia, but on the European website, this is 16.9 euros, which is equivalent to just around 28 Australian dollars. You can never have too many body scrubs. Day 4. Day 4 looks like is a full-size lip moisturizer, hydrating treatment for the lips. This is $24 in Australia. I don't know if I mentioned, but what I love about the ASOS Advent Calendar is that so many of the products that come in it are actually full-size, so it's well worth the cost. Day 5. Day 5 are the Invisibobble scrunchies. This is in a beautiful pale pink velvet. The beauty of these is that they don't damage your hair, but they do grip your hair so it stays up in a ponytail for you all day long. Day 6 is a big box. I wonder what this is. Caudalie Paris. This is Vino Pure. It is a purifying gel cleanser with natural salicylic acid, organic essential oils, and grape water. This is a great brand, and I'm going to love using this. Cleanses, tightens pores, decreases excess sebum without drying skin out, leaving it clean, fresh, and luminous. Morning and evening massage gel onto damp skin to create a light foam. Rinse with water, avoiding eye contour area. And this is $39. Awesome. What are we up to? Day 7. Day 7 is Szechuan Hair Repair Treatment. Oh, Szechuan is a great brand. So to get a hair treatment in this is fabulous. This looks like it's a sample size. I can't find a price for this size online, so I'm not going to price it up and add it to my total. 7 and 8. Let's have a look at what 8 is. Oh, 8 is, this is really big. This is heavy. It's either Let's play a guessing game. It's either a full-size cream or smells nice. Could it be a candle? Because there's generally a candle in the ASOS Advent Calendar. And yes, there is a candle. It's Noom Organics London Bedtime Hero with chamomile, ylang ylang, and cedarwood. Sleep. Oh, this smells divine. Number 9, right here, front and center. Oh, this is a sample size. Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. I don't have anything from this brand, so I'm happy to try this. Let's have a look at number 10, right at the bottom. Oh, this is a bit squeaky and long. It doesn't feel like a pencil. I wonder. Oh, it's an e.l.f. brush. It is a blush brush from e.l.f. You never have too many brushes. Number 11. Number 11 is a small bottle of the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry and sensitive skin. Instantly soothes and protects skin from dryness for 48 hours. That's a great little travel size, just large enough to sample and try. Number 12. I feel like I'm playing bingo. 12. What's 12 in bingo? Number 12. Actually, should we play a guessing game? I think this might be a bottle. Let's see. Nope. It is a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment for your hair. Awesome. This is a really good product. I have bought the full-size one, and I'm very happy to get this little one in here. Number 13. Tell me, do you buy advent calendars leading up to Christmas? And do you enjoy opening them, or don't you buy advent calendars? I love buying them because I love trying out new products and seeing what's new on the market without actually having to pop out the door. This is a face cream made in Germany by Dr. Barbara Sturm. Awesome. Never heard of this, so I'm looking forward to trying it. Number 14. Oh no, I can't believe we almost finished the first layer of the box. Let's see, but number 14 is... Oh, it's a glazed lip oil with cherry seed oil and hyaluronic acid by Revolution. Revolution is a good little brand that always comes out with beautiful new products. And number 15, what could it be? Oh, it's a brightening dark circled eye cream from Ariane Clean Skincare. That is really good. It's always nice to try something new. And I always love something that's brightening for under my eyes. You know that I have deep dark circles. Oh, this smells lovely. Well, I don't want to try it until I actually use it. But this is a nice little size. We finished the first layer of the Face and Body ASOS Advent Calendar for 2023. Let's try the second drawer. Number 16, right here in the middle. Guess, eh? I think last year we got a perfume as well, so it'll be interesting to see if there's a perfume in here. Or maybe not. Am I getting them confused? Ooh, what's this? Kim. Let's open it. The Good Habit Hybrid Oil. Applied to freshly washed and conditioned hair that is still damp. Work from root to tip and comb through for an even distribution. Apply primer and stylers to finish. It is a holy grail combination of baobab and jojoba oils to give ultralight moisture and shine to the hair, nourishing your whole head. Smells like future bloom. Head care for you, yours and theirs. Beyond great hair and creating great hair, my aim is to create a world that makes a positive difference to how people feel about themselves, by Adam Reed, the founder. Never heard this? Oh, this smells really nice. This is very nice. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm the only one here. Number 17, right here. Oh, The Ordinary. Natural Moisturizing Factors HA. Awesome. This is The Ordinary Moisturizer. Beautiful. Very happy with that. And now we go up to number 18. Long. And number 18 is something very small. The Spray Dorel Relaxant Naturel. It's a deep sleep pillow spray. Ah, This smells divine. Absolutely divine. What's in it? Fall deep sleep, pillow spray, fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. This is so exciting. I love opening boxes and love opening presents, but this feels like Christmas Day all wrapped up in one. Ooh, this is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. An intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Safe for sensitive skin. Oh no, we're getting towards the end of all the boxes. Day 20, but how exciting is this? Is there a big one in here? I wonder what it could be. Oh, it's by Grown Alchemist. That's a really good brand. It is the hand cream. You can never have enough hand creams, I think. This is a fabulous. It is a hand cream in vanilla and orange peel. I have to try this. Opening up all these cardboard boxes is making my hands quite dry, so I have to try it. Just a little bit, right? Oh, I love the scent. It is absolutely divine. My hands are absolutely soaking it all up. Oh, and it's so nice for your senses because it smells divine. And I'm creating a nice little stash of empty boxes here. Day 21. I wonder what's in day 21. It's a small little tub of Alamus Pro Collagen Marine Cream, anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. What I love about these sample sizes or these smaller travel sizes is that when you do travel, they're great to take away with you and just use up on those days where you don't want to take all your full-size items. Say you're going away for the weekend or going away for a couple of nights. These are perfect to take with you and just try and have a little break from everything that you use every day. Day 22. What's in day 22? This is the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over. This is good. This is the alcohol-free, long-lasting setting spray in a 30 ml. This is a great little size, perfect for traveling, but also for your beauty bag. How cool is that? Day 23. I wonder what's in here. I recognize that orange bottom. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is a really good cream. It is not targeting your bottom. It's a good all-over cream that visibly tightens and boosts your skin. This is fabulous and smells divine. My hands are all slippery, so I can't open it, but I know from experience that is great. Day 24 is a Psychic System Stone massager. This feels so nice. I'm due to get another one because mine chipped a little bit. I've dropped it one too many times on my tiles. And so it's always nice to get a decent one. And that one looks fabulous. Oh no, we've reached the end, the last day 25 of the ASOS Advent Calendar. What could it be? I have never had one of these products. I know, I'm late to the party again. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Dreams Luxury Palette Pillow Talk. How good is that? Now, I'm not going to drop this like I did last year in opening my advent calendar where I dropped a beautiful palette and it shattered all over the floor. With this one, I'm going to be careful and open it carefully so it doesn't drop and spill everywhere. I'll link that video down below in case you missed it. It was heartbreaking. So yes, I'm ripping all the packaging because I don't want to drop it. How gorgeous is that? This is my first Charlotte Tilbury palette. And the colors are just my jam. Look at those beautiful colors. Are they not absolutely gorgeous? Just on its own, this palette is $88. I love this. I have to say, I think this is probably my favorite ASOS Advent Calendar. And don't forget that if you scan this code, you can actually go in to win an ASOS voucher. Can't go wrong there, can you? I love all these little goodies that came in the Face and Body ASOS Advent Calendar 2023. This was not sponsored. I bought it completely with my own money. I'm a sucker I buy this every year, and I've done so now for the last 3 years, and this one included as well. The value that you get out of this ASOS Face and Body Advent Calendar is phenomenal, with products valued at well over 600 Australian dollars. You cannot go wrong with that. Just a link in the description box below. This is not an affiliate link, so I don't get any recognition for it, but I do know that if you download their app, you get an instant 25% off, and that is a fabulous saving. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to watch more content brought to you by a 50 plus woman who enjoys playing with makeup, fashion, and anything pretty or sparkly. Until next time, my friends, and thank you for watching. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. The chaos of opening an advent calendar all in one day. Empty boxes all over the floor. But that was fun. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other advent calendars you'd like me to purchase and show you.